I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Click on Create Integration. Search for Happyform. Select a form. Click on Next. Search and select the action SureMembers. Connect to SureMembers. SureMembers connected successfully. Next, choose a task. Map the respective field. Under the action, choose a group. Here's the advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Under the Bid Apps Access group, click on the Users. Here you can see that a user successfully added on the SureMembers Access group. Thanks for watching.